Hey everyone, welcome to Crypto India. This is your host Shiv. Thank you so much for coming back. And this is channel we talk about cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin, blockchain, ICOs, news developments, and market sentiments around the globe. So make sure you hit the subscribe button if you're new to this channel. Let's go ahead and check out this news yesterday. The Bitcoin Gold website. Okay, so as we all know, yesterday there was a fork wherein the Bitcoins split into two networks saying Bitcoin and Bitcoin Gold. And all the Bitcoin holders as of yesterday will be getting the Bitcoin Gold tokens on 1st of November. But however, yesterday what happens is the Bitcoin Gold website was under attack, and it was down nearly for about an hour. And in fact, the Bitcoin Gold team, they actually went ahead and tweeted this, saying that the massive DDoS attack on our cloud side, 10 million requests per minute. We are working with the providers to ban all the IPs. We will be up soon. Now, this is definitely a matter of concern to the people who have been actually waiting for Bitcoin Gold as a free token. And most people, as I believe, that actually they went ahead and bought their other alternate cryptocurrencies and to get more Bitcoin so that they can get more free Bitcoin Gold. However, it is very certain on how the things are going to work out for Bitcoin Gold, because we also get to hear that in order to get Bitcoin Gold, you have to expose your private keys, and which is definitely not safe, because if these kind of attacks keeps happening on the website, everybody would fear to reveal their private keys unless and until it is coming automatically, just like we had in the case of Bitcoin Cash. So this is not a good news at all for Bitcoin Gold team. So there's something to, I thought I'll keep you guys updated on that. Let's have a look at the cryptocurrency market cap here. So we have Bitcoin down at 5,500 US dollar. So probably it's a great time to get in. Again, this is not an investment advice, just my opinion. Because I look at Bitcoin because the Segwit 2x is planned in the month of November, so which is about 15th to 16th of November. So just like the people who are holding Bitcoin on yesterday will be getting Bitcoin Gold on 1st November. It's similarly people who are holding will be holding Bitcoin on 15 to 16 will be getting Bitcoin Segwit 2x. So I think this is a great time because Bitcoin did touch about $6,000 and came back to $5,500. So I think this is a great price to enter in. And I'll share a couple of news here. One of the statement from the Apple co-founder Wozniak said that the Bitcoin is better than the gold. Now, this statement has gone mainstream. A lot of people, I mean, we all know how big brand Apple is, and a statement from the co-founder of Apple on Bitcoin and something like this can really attract a lot of attention, and then it can result into a great price hike for Bitcoin. Uh, that's what I think. So let's have a look at other cryptocurrencies. So Ethereum is down again below 300. You have Ripple at 20 cents. You have Bitcoin Cash 329 again. Let's have, so as you can see, a lot of red and a couple of greens here. But let me show you this here. So as you can see, this has gained, Monacoin has gained about 24% in one day. And if you go, okay, this is about 47% of growth. So, the cryptocurrencies can be really profitable at times, but again, they come with the risk also. So this has got about 50% of growth on ATM chain. So things like that. Let's have a look at what is happening on the over here. So this was something I was talking to you guys about. So the Apple co-founder said that the Bitcoin is better than the gold, and there is a strong reason why he's saying this. He's given the reasons why this can be so. Over here, so he talks about the gold gets mined and mined and mined. Maybe there's a finite amount of gold in the world, but Bitcoin is even more mathematical and regulated, and nobody can change mathematics. So he's basically saying that if the gold can be mined and the fiat currencies can be printed for political reasons anytime by the governments, and that is why the fiat currencies are losing its value, because there's no cap on how much it can be printed. Unlike these two things, the Bitcoin has a limited cap supply, which is 21 million, and that can really make Bitcoin as precious as it can be. And you know, and because it is regulated by the mathematics, by the algorithm, which nobody can break, or it can be trusted, because you're not trusting people here, you're trusting mathematics, you're trusting algorithm. So these are a couple of reasons why he has to say that Bitcoin is better than the gold. So it's a significant statement, because it's coming out from the co-founder of the Apple, and you know, this will attract a lot of attention. And this is another reason I think the price of Bitcoin may really shoot a high, especially for two reasons. One being this, and the second being the SegWit is planned on 15th or 16th of November. I don't know the exact date. I'll share that with you. But on this time, the SegWit 2x, another hard fork is planned. So a lot of people, just like they did for Bitcoin Gold, will try and get Bitcoin in order to get Bitcoin SegWit. And of course, the SegWit 2x has more support than what Bitcoin Gold has. And that is why I think the Bitcoin will shoot up in a few days. So yeah, of course, there are a lot many more cryptocurrencies than the Bitcoin, but every other cryptocurrencies are being, you know, as hedged against Bitcoin. So there is something to think about. Now, this is another news that I thought I'll share with you guys. So in Geneva, there is they caught somebody. Police confiscate Euro-based clogging of the toilet. So there was somebody in Geneva. Actually, he flushed all his fiat money into the toilet, which actually resulted in clogging. Now, this is weird. Why would somebody do something like this? Well, we all know people who are involved into cryptocurrencies and Bitcoin and other stuff. They know that what is the value of fiat currency against cryptocurrencies and Bitcoin. But again, if you still have the paper bill, you would rather trade it for the cryptocurrency instead of flushing it in the toilet paper. And of course, there are a few countries where it is not legal to do something like this. But as you can see here, it says that while destroying the banknotes is not a crime in Switzerland, there must be something behind the story. That is why we started an investigation. So I thought you'll find this interesting. So in case you would like to read that more. Right, so that's it for now, guys. Let me know if you have any questions or comments. Make sure you hit the subscribe button if you're new to this channel, and I will try and keep you guys updated on all the cryptocurrencies news and happenings around the globe. This is all about learning. This is all about information. The more informed you are, the better decision you can take for yourself, both in terms of investment, money, and in a better future. So thank you so much for watching, guys. I'll see you in my next video. I hope this was helpful, and take care.